Hi everyone. Today we will see how to debug the code in Visual Code. So this is my one example here. So I'm printing the numbers here till 1 to 5 and call this method. So let's see how we can debug the code. So I am just do the breaking point in statement which you want to debug. So I just want to see the behavior of this first line method of first line, and then this condition, then printing what we are going to print, and this print method is value increment is increasing or not. So I just put the breakpoint which I want to debug, and after that we will debug it. So let me first clear the terminal. So after that you have to go in run and click on start debugging, or you can press F5. So some additional window get open here, so you can see the breakpoints which you selected, and call stack which line is get triggered and which thread is get triggered, and the local variable also is saying here. So initially we have local variable as 1, so we pass value here 1 for this method. So initially we have value 1. So you can see here also. So after for this method we are it's showing here the currently the and having value of 1. So similarly here also and having value of 1. So initially we are starting with 1, so we have value here and equal to 1. So this is the option, like you can up and down, and you can stop the debug, and you can restart it, and step over also we have here, and this is the continue button. So you can press this button, or also you can press F5. So since here we are starting from here, so just click on it. One second. So now you can click next button, so it's moved to the next line. So here also n equal to 1 we have, and after that we have the n equal to 1 here, and after that it will increase by 1. So currently is 1 here, and then you can see we also print 1 here, and after that click on next, and then now it's n increase by 1. So now value get equal to n equal to 2. So now we have 2 here. So it's again checking for the condition, it's less than 5. Yes, 2 is equal to less than 5, and after that it's printing the value and then increment by 1. So now it's n equal to 2 here, and it's printed successfully, and then again it will increment by 1. So now it become 3, and again it's checking for condition less than 5. Yes, is less than 5, and it's printing n equal to 3, and now it's printed here, and again it's increment by 1, and now n equal to 1, and then it's printing for 4. So now it's printing 4, and again it's increment by 1, and now it's n equal to 5. Is checking the condition is less than equal to 5. Yes, it's 5 is equal to 5, and then printing the same, and again it's trying is increment by 1, and now the value is become n equal to 6, and checking for condition it's 6 is greater than 5. So here our condition is get false. That's why it's the after that the statement is come out the if condition, and now the execution get stopped. So that's how we can debug our code in Visual Code. So if you like it, thank for my viewing this video, and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.